Hello children, welcome to English class. So, let us go for the unit 2, that is 3 questions. Okay, so 3 questions means 3 questions, the heading itself tells that 3 questions, 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. So, this is written by Count Leo Tolstoy. Okay. So, a king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Read to find out. So here, once upon a there was a king and he was just thinking. He was in he might be getting the leisure time. That's why he sat there and started thinking about it. If at all I want to become fully successful in life, I need to get answers for 3 questions, he thought. So which are the questions? Let us see here. Okay. The thought came to a king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. So if you knew about the 3 things in life, that means perfect. If at all he is going to get fulfilled about the 3 things. That is, what are the 3 things? Let us see. If at all he get fulfilled and successful, he has to become successful means he has to get the answers for these 3 questions and accordingly he has to go in life. So what is the right time to begin something? So the first question what arises in his head is, that is, what is the right time to begin something? To do any other work. What is the right time? Whether it is morning, evening, night, early morning, when? Okay. So now then the second question is, who should the king listen to? So there are several people. Okay. So he is having the intellectuals in his court. That is in his kingdom, and so many wise ministers who are known for their knowledge, and for who he has to listen to get the answers for this question. And the third question is, what is the most important thing for a king to do, and also which work he has to do. So what is the most important? First, second, third, like that he has to bifurcate. So which is the most important in that? If at all he goes on doing that work, then he will become successful, he thought. Okay. So what is that? Okay. So all these 3 questions he has to get the answer to become a successful person. Okay. To successful, that is the ruler. Okay. So now the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So what happened? So to get the answers, you know that in those days the courtiers will be there, intellectuals will be there. If at all anything gets into his king's head means, he usually put the question in front of the courtiers and ask them. So what to do, how to do, like that. Okay. And also he is going to ask for everyone and arrive into the right answer. Okay. In the same way, so he sent the messengers. Okay, he was not satisfied with only the courtiers. That's why what he sent, he has sent the messengers. ಎಲ್ಲ ದೂತರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮೂಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then get the right answer for me. So he sent the messengers. So he sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So if at all he got satisfied with the answers for these 3 questions, then he is going to get this one, give the prize or they are going to be gifted with some amount or like that. Okay. So now many wise men came to the king. So when king is going to give the large sum of money means, who is not going to tell the answer, right? So many people came there to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So all of them given different types of questions for these 3 questions. Okay. So now in reply to the first question, so what's the first question? What is the right time to begin? So in the reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. So according to the first thing, he has to prepare a timetable. So morning getting up, and first he has to do that, this, like that, and according to the timetable if he goes means, then he will be successful. Okay. And he has to follow it strictly. Okay. And others said, so ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದರ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. So ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದಿದೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರಾಣಿ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? So he has to fulfill the wishes of the queen. So he has to stop going for the hunting and he has to listen to the queen. So how can he do that? So for the first question, answer got failed. Okay. So the king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So the other said, so at that time, which was the important thing, the king has to decide and he has to go and like that. Some told. Okay. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. So what happened? Still other people, what they told, that is, he has to take the advice of the wise people. Means that is the people who is having intelligence. Wise men means that is the intelligent people. He has to take the advice of them and to act accordingly. Okay. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. So he cannot wait for the wise men to give the decision. Some distinct questions should be just taken by the king itself. How come he can wait for the wise people to give the advice? For example, ಕೋಟೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅವಾಗ ವೈಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಬರಲಿ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವೈಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಕಾಯ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? So he cannot wait for that. So for this question also the answer got failed. Okay. So these things could not wait for the decision of the council. So in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. So the future also he has to look after. Okay. As the king is having a very big responsibility to look after the kingdom. So he cannot wait for others to give the answer. And only magicians could do that. So magicians will be able to tell what is going to happen in the future, that all. And he has to ask the magicians. So magician is the right person. By asking the decision of the magician, he can go further, he told. The king therefore would have to go to magician. So he has to take the advice of the magician, they told. In their answers to the second question, so now coming to the second question, who should a king listen to? Yarige kelbeku? Some say that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So counselors are the most necessary people because they know the everything and the ongoing and outgoings of the kingdom. So he has to ask their decision while taking to any decision. So he has to take their advice. Okay. Others said priests. Priests are the most distinct because they have learnt Vedas, Upanishads, everything. You have to ask the advice of them. Some told. Okay. And few others choose doctors. So some other people and some of them told that is he has to ask decision of the doctors. Okay. And yet others said that the soldiers were the most necessary. And soldiers is also most necessary for the king, no? So he has to ask the soldiers whether to attack or not. So this was the answer. These are the answers they had given for the second question. So the first question also was kept in the confusion, and for the second question also he got confused with the answers of everyone. Which answer he has to take. Okay. Now going for the third question. That is, what is the most important thing for the king to do? So which is the most important thing? Means which is the important work the king has to take up. Some said attack. Means ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಎದುರಾಳಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Others choose fight and yet others religious worship. So ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಟ್. ಹೋಗಿ ದಂಡೆತ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬೇಟೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಸೋ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಹೌ king got confused because for all the three questions, no one gave the suitable answer for that. So he got very much confused. Okay, the king was not satisfied. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So what he decided? Anyhow, he got confused with all the person's answers. So he decided to take the answer with the hermit. Okay, hermit andre ashramavasi. Okay, hermit is a simple person and he will be they are known for wisdom. Wisdom means that is knowledge, and also they are having awareness and everything and all. They are the knowledgeable person, he thought, and he thought of asking them. So the king put on ordinary clothes. So if at all he go in very rich clothes, means then the hermit is not going to may not answer, and also may get scared or something. He has to come down, and he is not going to be able to give the proper answer, he thought. So he went in the ordinary clothes and went to meet the hermit. Before he reached the hermit's side, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. So he just left the horse and he just went on walk, and also he asked the bodyguards to stay back. Okay. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. So the hermit was digging the ground. So he when the king came, he just greeted the king. Banni anta heli welcome ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಅವನಿಗೆ king ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. As he was wearing ordinary clothes, he just invited and greeted him, and he just started again digging work. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. And he repeated the questions. So the 3 questions, what he wanted to get the answer, he told him, see, I want the answers for these 3 questions. So I thought you are the right person to give these and give the answers. So I have come to you, he said. The hermit listened to the king, but he did not speak. ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡ್ದ, ಕೇಳ್ದ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಏನೋ ತನಗೆ ಹತ್ತಲೇ ಇಲ್ವೇನೋ ನನಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ದ, ಇದು hermit, he was digging the ground. He thought that he might be tired. Okay, and also he was an old person. That's why he took the spade from him and asked, where you might be tired, give that spade, I am going to work for you, and started digging the ground there. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. So this one hermit thought the king was an ordinary person. So he just passed on the spade to him. Spade anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕುದ್ಲಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟ dig ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಗುಂಡಿ ತೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer. So 2 ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ತೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ king ಕೇಳಿದ. Just asked him, I want the answers for these 3 questions, he asked. Okay. So 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, to get answers to my questions. If you can give no answers, tell me so, and I will return home. Okay. So what happened? So the king just again he asked him whether he could answer or not, because from morning till evening he just dug the beds for the hermit, and he thought he would get the answers for all the 3 questions, and he thought of returning, but there was no sign of giving the answer by the hermit. So he just asked once again, just tell me the answer. If at all it's not possible, I'm going to go back, he said. Okay, I'm going to stop the lesson and let me continue in the next class. Thank you.